Hey everyone. Is your Whirlpool refrigerator water dispenser not working? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. The good news is most fixes are quick and simple. So let's walk through the steps to get your water flowing again. First, make sure the water supply valve behind the fridge is fully open. If the line is kinked or shut off, the dispenser won't get water. Next, check the water filter. A clogged filter can seriously reduce water flow or stop it completely. If it's been more than 6 months, yeah, go ahead and replace it. Okay, now look for a frozen water line in the freezer door. This happens pretty often. If the line is frozen, gently thaw it using warm air, not hot, to restore flow. Next step, press the dispenser paddle and listen closely. If you don't hear any click, the dispenser switch might be faulty and may need replacement. If everything else looks fine, check the water inlet valve at the back of the fridge. A defective valve can block water from reaching the dispenser. And yeah, sometimes a simple reset works. Unplug the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. I mean, it can clear minor electronic glitches. If the dispenser still isn't working after these steps, the control board or internal tubing may need professional service. And that's it. These are the fastest ways to fix a Whirlpool water dispenser that's not working. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick home fixes. Hey everyone.